The Whirlpool washing machine F91 error code indicates a problem in the drainage system, where the washer takes longer than the normal 8 minutes to drain. This error is detected by the main control and displayed on the machine. Common causes of this error code include a faulty drain hose, which may become bent or twisted when the machine is pushed too close to the wall, or blocked by debris such as lint. Another possible cause is a defective pressure switch, which can send a false signal to the control board, leading it to believe the water is full when it's not, and resulting in the error being displayed when the control board attempts to empty the tub. Using the wrong detergent or too much detergent can also cause issues, as it can lead to an excess of foam and suds, making it difficult for the washer to drain. To fix the issue, it's necessary to examine the drain hose by powering off the washer, cutting the water supply, and disconnecting the hose using pliers. The hose can then be unblocked using a drain snake or a solution of hot water and white vinegar, and replaced if damaged. The pressure switch should also be inspected, located under the control panel and connected to the pressure hose, and tested using a multimeter to determine if it's defective. If so, it should be replaced with a new one. Using the correct detergent is also crucial, as high-efficiency detergent should be used for the relevant washers to prevent soap and suds formation, and excessive detergent use should be avoided to prevent soap residue buildup. By following these steps, the error can be resolved, and the washer can function properly once again.